Hi everyone, my name is Mridul and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be trying out products from Shark Tank. Now, I'm going to be honest, before making this video, I hadn't even watched one episode of Shark Tank, but it's all the hype. Everyone's been talking about it and I also got quite curious. So I've picked out some products from season 1 and season 2 and I'm going to be reviewing them for you guys. Let's see if they're worth it or not. Let's get started. So the first brand that we have is a herbal brand. It's called Avimi Herbals. So a little backstory about this brand. The owner of this brand was 85 years old when he started this brand, and the reason why he started this brand is because his daughter was having severe hair fall. So he came up with this concoction of, I believe, 150 different herbs, and he created this hair oil right here. This is the Avimi Herbals Kesh Pallav handmade hair oil. This is suitable for all hair types. It's 100 ml and it's for 650 rupees. On the packaging, it says it's made in India, it's cruelty free, it's 100% natural and it's handmade. I really like that they've given all the ingredients right here, and all the ingredients are things that I can pronounce and things that I know. Like it has sunflower, pumpkin, black sesame oil, flaxseed oil. Even till the bottom, there's walnut, there's hazelnut, pecan nut. There's literally every ingredient mentioned right here, which I really appreciate. Now, right off the bat, the oil smells strong, and even after you wash your hair, thoda sa smell reh jata hai. I have used this oil a couple of times, and I will say it's a really nice oil. However, if you don't like strong smells, you should avoid it, but otherwise, it's a nice oil. So the next brand that we have, I'm very excited about. Probably the most excited. Actually, that's not true. There's another brand that I'm really excited about. But this brand is called Isak Fragrances. It's an artisanal fragrance brand from Lucknow, and I've picked up their make your own perfume kit, which is for 3250 rupees. It's quite expensive, but you do get this entire kit right here. So it comes with 12 fragrances, top notes, middle notes and base notes, and quite a good variety for you to smell from and make a really nice concoction for yourself. Other than this, they also have other essential things like beaker de dete hai. You also get these storage containers to store your perfume that you've made. You get the solvent base, of course, and also coffee beans for you to smell in between. You get these strips, and of course a manual which has everything that you could think of, all the details that you could potentially need, and a notebook as well for you to document your process and kitne drops aapne use kiye. Now, I'm not going to explain how to make this perfume because I feel like the manual does a much better job, and there's a lot of math and calculation involved in this, which I'm not good at any which ways. I feel like it could make for a really nice group activity. If you're really into perfumes, I feel like you can try it out. The next brand is a coffee brand, and I really enjoy coffee. I've been restricting myself from coffee intake, but this video is the perfect opportunity for me to have some coffee and review some coffee. The brand is called Theka Coffee, and this was started in 2017, and their main mission was to serve affordable, freshly brewed coffee. Let's start off by talking about the packaging, the visual appeal. I feel like it's top notch, like the colors and the fonts and the design. I think it's very cute and very quirky. I think I'm gonna try out the cold brew, which is for 100 rupees. Let's try it out. I love that it almost feels like you're having Coca-Cola, like the bottle of it. I like it. I really like it. It's very strong. I have cold brew only. By the way, I do need to add that these are not available online, at least from what I could tell. However, these are available in certain local stores near you. And as a milk wala variant bhi available hai. This one that I have right here is a light roast. There's a medium roast and there's a dark roast as well. So I think overall, I'm gonna give this brand a thumbs up. There was nothing that I disliked about it. The coffee was quite nice and I feel like you can definitely try it out. I think coffee peel liye, so let's try out some snacks as well. The brand that I have is called Beyond Snacks, and their specialty is the Kerala banana chips. I personally love banana chips, and these come in a bunch of different flavors. The main goal behind this brand is to give you really good high quality banana chips, but also the ones that meet the hygiene standards. So मैंने 4 का combo लिया है for 299 rupees. We have a peri peri flavor, sour cream, onion and parsley, which is very interesting for banana chips, salt and black pepper, which I really like, and of course the original. I think let's try out the original. Okay, they smell quite legit, very authentic. They're very thinly sliced. I love banana chips, guys, so good banana chips. Just a few days ago, I was in Kochi and I did pick up some banana chips from their local banana chips, and those were fried in coconut oil, so those have a very distinctive coconut wala taste. These just taste like regular banana chips that are fried in regular vegetable oil is what it says here. It says that it's fried in refined vegetable oil, and they are nice banana chips. They're very thin, they're not thick. So if you like crispy banana chips, you'll really like these. अच्छा सा salt भी है, and honestly this flavor right here is very basic. Like, it tastes good but nothing crazy, and I think it is also a little bit more expensive than like a regular packet of banana chips. However, the salt and pepper flavor was amazing. Oh my god, I loved it so much. Even the onion parsley one was quite nice. काफी different flavor था, काफी tasty था. Peri peri so-so था, but I feel like try this brand out, especially the black and pepper one. The next brand that we have is actually very interesting. So it's a no sugar, high protein vegan dessert brand that kind of started as just like a kitchen experiment, but it turned out into a super healthy dessert brand. It's called Get Away, and I've picked up quite a few things from them, so let me show you what I've picked up. So the first thing that we have right here, which looks amazing, it's a guilt-free chocolate peanut butter ice cream sandwich. This has 107 calories, which I feel like is pretty low for an ice cream sandwich. It has no added sugar. It's high in protein. Let me see how much protein this has. It has 1.8 grams of protein. Then this is what I'm really excited about. We have a guilt-free watermelon ice pop. 36 calories hai ye. Vegan hai, low calorie and no added sugar. And then we have some ice cream. So this is the strawberry cheesecake. Guilt-free ice cream, again no added sugar, high protein, 11 grams of protein this has per tub, which is good for ice cream. I think I'm gonna try out this flavor, the strawberry cheesecake flavor, because it's quite unique. As in terms of strawberry cheesecake, flavor is not very unique, but for it to be high in protein, low in calorie, I'm gonna try this. It's really cute that this comes with a mini spoon inside. Now, my only concern with this ice cream is that I don't want to taste the protein powder flavor. You know what I mean? I don't like that taste. You can taste that a lot of times in like protein bars as well, and I don't like that. I hope I don't taste that in this ice cream. This is good. It's sweet, but it's not like overly sweet. It's like the right amount for me. I can taste the strawberry cheesecake flavor and I can't taste the protein. This is really good. I feel like if you're trying to be healthy, but once in a while you do like end up getting cravings or you want to treat yourself, this is a really good product. And by the way, they have so many flavors. There was one salted caramel, there's butterscotch, there's vanilla. Definitely check this page out. I will link everything that I've spoken about in today's video in the description box below. But this ice cream I really like. Now this watermelon popsicle can very well be a summer favorite. It was so masaledar, but it was so fresh because of the watermelon. Amazing tha ye. However, the ice cream sandwich was so थोड़ा अजीब सा टेस्ट था, but दूसरे products try करने लायक है. Okay, so the next brand is the brand that I was most excited about for in today's video. It's called Paradise. It's a hair color brand, and this is what I've picked up. Now, basically, I have red hair, which isn't really red anymore. It's faded out, and I low-key want to color my hair pink, but I'm not willing to bleach my hair. I do have black hair naturally, so if I want to go pink, I will have to bleach it for the pink to show. So I've decided to pick up this right here. This is in the shade Corolla Pink, and this is a semi-permanent color that is supposed to last you, I think, 8 to 10 washes. Again, this too works the best if you have bleached hair, because color will show up better if you have lighter hair. I'm very excited to try this out. So yeah, let's go ahead and do that. Now, first impression was that this dye smelled quite pleasant. Usually बहुत ही chemically smell होता है, but इसका smell बहुत pleasant था. Hair section कर लिया, apply कर लिया मैंने, left it in for 15 to 20 minutes, and honestly the results are mind blowing. The color is fab, but it also feels very soft and hydrated. Like my hair doesn't feel dry. A big thumbs up. I completely forgot about this brand right here. We have Niche Hair. Now, Niche Hair is a brand that is started by an influencer. She's also an actress. Her name is Parul Gulati. And this is a human hair extension brand. I already do own hair extensions, not from this brand, from another brand. I bought them, I believe, like 2 years ago. 1.5, 2 years ago. I got them from One Stop Hair. ऐसा कुछ तो brand का नाम है. And while I was doing my research back then, Niche Hair did come up, but I found Niche Hair really expensive, so I went ahead with One Stop. But today I've picked up 2 things from Niche Hair. I don't know if I mentioned, all of their products are made with real human hair. Let's start off by talking about the packaging. It comes in a really nice hard cardboard box, and then you get this really nice satin potli pouch in which we have my products right here. The first product that I picked up are these wispy bangs, which are for 1699 rupees. Human hair ke hai ye bhi. And then we have a hair donut, which is for 2200 rupees. This is supposed to help you tie a bun and like add volume to your bun. Essentially, it's a scrunchie with hair on it. Okay, first impressions. Hair does feel very nice and very soft. Obviously, application के बाद ही समझ में आएगा how much I like it. And the donut too, very nice, very soft. I don't know how this is going to blend in with my hair color, but I'll try it out for sure. Even before I try out these products, I do want to say one thing. I do follow Niche Hair on Instagram, and I love how they educate you about the products. And if you're someone who suffers with severe hair fall or alopecia, or you have bald spots, I feel like this brand does such a good job with their toppers. Definitely worth checking out. It is a little bit more expensive, obviously, because it's made out of human hair, but if you take care of this really well, it should last you a really long time. Having said all of that, let's try out both of these products and see what they look like on me. So there's a clip that comes on the bangs, which is supposed to apply on your head. It's very easy, very comfortable. I will say that I don't love the way the bangs look on me, but that I feel like is a me problem. The quality is really nice. If you want to try out bangs, go for it. The scrunchie I don't love necessarily. बहुत ही 90s vibe देता है, which I'm not a big fan of. So I feel like you can pass on that. And yeah, with that, I'm going to end today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching. Do let me know if you want me to do a part 2. All the products that I've spoken about, I will make sure to link them in the description box below so that you can check them out for yourself and support these made in India brands. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel. We're very close to 700k. Follow me on my Instagram, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye.